How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Here's how. Initially start by launching the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. On your profile screen, click on the hamburger icon. In the menu, select the account privacy. Here you will find an option for private account. Toggle the switch next to the private account to make your account private. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the switch to private. This means only people you approve of can see your profile picture. After adjusting your privacy settings, go back and scroll down within the menu until you see the More Info and Support section. Under the More Info and Support, tap on Help. Then select Report a Problem from the list of options. In the Report a Problem section, describe the issue by explaining that you don't want the profile picture zoom feature on Instagram. After writing your explanation, hit Send to submit your request. Wait for the Instagram response. Instagram will review your report and may get back to you with a response. So this is how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom.